Hello students, in this video I'll let you all know that the sequence of operation and the hierarchy in preparation of PPS subject, the course PPS programming for problem solving or the C language is also called as C language. So I'm going to let you all know the sequence of operation like and which way you are supposed to prepare this, as many students were asking like the important questions for the COVID pattern, R18 regulation. Here in C programming we cannot give you the important question. Why? Because the syllabus is framed in such a way that the one topic is related with the another topic, and there will be flow charts, there will be algorithms, and there will be some example problems will be asked. So you should be strong with the fundamental topics. So I'll let you know, do not skip this talk which I am going to give you in this video. We watch this continuously till the end of the video so that you would able to prepare, as we got 2 more days for the end examination for R18 regulation. So that please look at the structure how I have been kept here and follow this order to score better marks. Follow this order. So first I would like to talk, I will not talking about the unit wise like which I have done for the other subjects, the unit wise important questions like that will be seen in the next video. If you are going thoroughly preparing with this talk which I am going to do today, tomorrow, at least by tomorrow, if you are going to work out this so that we will see the important questions also. Before that, the fundamentals of computers need to be known for all of you. There are 3 questions related to the fundamentals. Later, the first and the foremost thing I have divided into certain 4 splits here. The first thing you are supposed to work out is about the variables. So what is the use of variable and what are the different types of variables. Later you need to work out what is data types. What are the data types and what are the certain example problems. Please work out referring the textbooks and the lecture notes given by your faculty. Later, the operators are very important and essential, dear students. So once you work out the variables and data types, then we will be coming to the operators and what are the users and what are the different types of operators, and which is very important. That may be the important question where there are 8 types of operators. Please go through it. So please follow this sequence and the hierarchy. Why? Because it is very important to cover the remaining topics which I am going to let you know. Later, the selection statements and the iteration statements and the gem statements are also very important. It is being covered in all the course or entire course of the C programming and PPS. It is very essential for all of us, so that you need to work on the selection statements. We have if case, switch case, and if else case. So please you need to work out with that, and the iteration loops such as for, while, and do while. The 3 iterations, as well as the jump statements also you are supposed to work with, students. Please go through all the points like break statement, continuous statement, go to, as well as the return statement, and please do work out this selection and iteration. It is very important. The loops are also very important to cover the next talk. So follow this and work out accordingly. Later, once you are done with this, it takes a lot of time. If you are not done with this preparation and if you are not perfect with these things and do not go with the question to answer coming to the C programming, please go with the sequence of the procedure or the operation which I am going to let you know the topic wise. And the next, later, once this is finished, then only you are supposed to go with this. So this topic is related with this. So you are supposed to work out that. So as you are going to work out continuously, so the one topic will be related with other. So without knowing this, you cannot understand this. Please, the next thing is all about the functions on the C programming. What are the functions, different types, the user defined as well as built-in functions. You are supposed to work out. Why? Because that are very important coming to the next talk which I am going to let you know. And even the C standard functions and the libraries are also very important topics coming to the functions. Once the functions are done, the topic, the arrays are very important. Coming to the arrays, we have 1-dimensional as well as 2-dimensional arrays. Go to it, work out, and its procedure, the flow charts, and certain example programs. Please work out certain example programs on arrays also and different types. Later, strings are also very essential and important, dear students. Please work out types and strings and write down certain programming so that it helps you a lot. Once this is done, the third one is all about the pointers. So pointers are linked with the strings as well as the pointers are linked and with the arrays as well as pointer functions. So once these three topics are covered, then only you are supposed to go with this. So that's the reason I have kept here the arrow mark indication that there is a linkage between this to this. So first you are going to work out this, later you are going to work out these topics, and later you are coming to this, coming to the pointers and different types and write down certain programs in that. And even the structures, different types as well as unions, and along with that you are going to work out the programs. When you are going to get this topic, dear students, when you are perfect with this. So if you don't know this, you cannot work out this. So better be prepared in this sequence. So first this, later this, and these topics are again related with this, the second box which I have kept there. That's the reason I am telling you, students, follow this order to score better mark and get proper knowledge, perfect knowledge to work out accordingly. Later you can go with the algorithms topic. In the algorithms you have in the quadratic equation, go with that and do certain programming related to the quadratic equation, different types of programming, as well as and you are going to work out sorting of array of elements, that is bubble, insertion and selection of sort algorithm. Coming to the algorithm sort, as well as array of elements in linear as well as binary. Please make sure to work out all this along with the definitions, along with the flow charts, algorithms, programs. So if you work out like this, do not read in bits and pieces. So you are supposed to work out each and every concept very clear, so that then only you are going to clear this subject. Make sure that do not prepare bits and pieces. I feel this is important, I'll pick this topic from this. So it doesn't make any sense coming to the previous subject, the course which you are going to take the exam. I hope, dear students, please do follow this hierarchy. 1, then later 2, and come to 3 and 4, or you can complete work out till here on, and you will be getting certain 70% of the syllabus is complete. The 70% of the syllabus can be covered here. So if you want important questions, please do comment in the chat box. And if you're liking my videos, and if you are going to get good marks by learning these all concepts, as well as do subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.